Hey everyone, welcome back. What if you could take a website generated by AI and turn it into a fully editable DV5 website without rebuilding anything from scratch? That's exactly what we're going to do today. In this video, I'll walk you through how to convert a website built with Lovable AI into DV5 using the brand new ClonewebX integration. So let's jump right in. Instead of designing everything manually, you simply describe what you want, and Lovable takes care of the rest. Another great option is to explore community templates. These templates give you a solid starting point for layouts, sections, and structure, especially if you're not sure where to begin. Now, let's take a look at what we got it today. This demo website was generated entirely by Lovable. Clean layout, modern design, and well-structured sections. The goal here is to take this Lovable website and bring it into DV5, while keeping the layout, structure, and visual hierarchy intact. No rebuilding, no manual redesign, just a few clicks. Now, I'm starting to transfer this homepage into Divi by creating a new project. First, we must copy the entire domain URL of the source site. Log into your ClonewebX account and create a new project. Assign a name for your project and paste the source domain URL. This is so important to count the credit. You should take note in this step. Now let's head back to our Lovable website. Scroll through the page and make sure everything is fully loaded, because ClonewebX needs to detect all sections and elements correctly. Once the page is fully rendered, we're ready to start cloning. Now, open the ClonewebX extension. Then choose appropriate project we created. Click Add Page, and you'll be redirected to a simulation tab. It often takes some seconds in this step. This tab will be created and simulated the target original page to ClonewebX website. You'll see the control panel appear on the side, enabling you to adjust parameters through it. For this demo, I'll start by exporting the entire page into DV5. Before we export anything, make sure you have a thing ready. The Softlight plugin is necessary installed and enabled in your website. This plugin serves as a store for cloned data while also offering additional features. Simply download the attached zip file and install it on your website. Once that's done, we're good to export data. At this point, you have two main options. You can export the entire page, or you can export individual sections. By hovering your mouse on the preview, click on icons to navigate selectors. This selector detector helps you to apply appropriate sections. For this demo, I'll start by exporting the entire page into DV5. Now click Export. ClonewebX will process the page and convert the layout into Divi-compatible components. Once it's done, the converted data will be transferred to a .shin file. Then you can use it as a Divi template. Now let's head into WordPress, create a new Divi page or open an existing one. We're gonna go up here to this top menu, this really cool little import-export icon. Click on that, and we're going to move over to import. And now, it's going to ask us to go get that file. Choose the file, and there it is. Give it a few seconds while uploading file. And there we go. Just like that, the entire layout appears inside DV5. All sections are here. All spacing is preserved, and everything is fully editable. Now let's take a closer look. You can click into any section, edit text. I'll quickly change these text into soft light. Replace images, adjust spacing, or customize styles using native Divi controls. Everything behaves exactly like a hand-built Divi page. This is a grid section that we enhance the output into distinct groups. At the moment, ClonewebX does not copy dynamic features, such as sliders, carousels, or accordion effects from the original website. Generally, the desktop layout looks great. Let's quickly check responsiveness. The grid seamlessly adjusts to display to columns instead of 3 on desktop. Tablet layout is clean and well-balanced. Once again, please take a note that this nav menu is not working. You still need to replace this block. Keep going to the mobile mode. Everything stacks properly with no broken spacing. This is production-ready output. As you see, the grid section automatically responsive into one column. At this stage, you can start customizing the content and adjusting any elements directly inside Divi 5. Every section you see here is now a native Divi element, which means you have full control over layout, topography, spacing, and styling. We've also built multiple control tabs specifically optimized for Divi 5, so you can fine-tune your design without touching any code. You can switch between tabs to manage things like content, design, and advanced styling options. If you want even better results, there's another option worth mentioning. Before exporting your data, you can go back to Lovable and ask the AI to further enhance your web page. This flexible workflow lets you decide whether you want to refine things with AI first, or polish everything manually in Divi.